Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now scroll down and enter system, tap on the languages input, go for the virtual keyboard and select Gboard. Right now we have to enter for the theme, and here we have to select my themes and pick up the picture that we want to set up as our keyboard theme. So I'm going for this picture of Faker, professional League of Legends player. So scale, click next, and right now we can set up the transparency. So I'm going to pick up 65, then click done. We can also select the keyboard borders, click apply, and right now when we enter the application and we can use the keyboard, we can see that our theme has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.